I'm changing everything. And I wanted to thank you for sticking through the mess and the good and the bad that has been my filmmaking journey on this YouTube channel. I feel like I've gotten some things right, a lot of things wrong, and my channel reflected that over the years. I definitely took a hit in terms of viewership and even in the type of content that I was making and in the way I was making it. So I'm approaching things very differently moving forward in this new year, and I will have a video about how I'm structuring things, how I'm going to be more efficient and preserving quality without burning out, and being a little bit more up to the times of what it means to do YouTube videos in 2026. But this video is for you, for the subscribers that have stuck throughout all the glitchy websites that still have purchased products from my Kriscoart.com website, which now has moved over to Film Effects, which is a much better platform, and I've revamped everything, all the way to watching videos with crazy hair and, you know, rushed maybe sound design or whatever the issue was to meet that deadline. You guys have still stuck through and showed support, and that is really, it just means a lot to me. And as a small token of appreciation, it's no match to how I feel about still having you watch this video after all these years. I'm actually gonna relaunch everything, as I mentioned, all my digital products on filmeffects.store. And for anybody that's been a 1 year plus subscriber of this channel, I'm gonna give you my entire library for free. I've spent countless hours to build the perfect assets that I use in all my client work, in all of just the videos that you see even on this channel. And just to show love back, I am releasing it all for free. So all you have to do is comment below this video. I will verify that you've been a subscriber for over a year, and I'm gonna send you a unique code to yourself where you have access to every pack created to date. So, of course, your viewership means so much more to me, and I hope that you will continue to view my upcoming videos. I'm really proud of everything that's in the works, and I hope that it will resonate with you guys and with the algorithm. But more importantly, I'm just genuinely excited about all the videos that are going to come out moving forward, and I hope you will keep watching.